Dito tayo, sino-sino po ba ang mga members ng Katipunan ng Kabataan?
Okay, Katipunan ng Kabataan. Meaning, ano yung Katipunan in English?
Oo.
Basta Katipunan. Katipunan ng Kabataan. So, yun, age requirement, 15 years old up to 30 years old. So, ibig sabihin, kung 15 years old ka to 30 years old ka, you are part ng Katipunan ng Kabataan. Okay, so 15 to 30. So ikaw, MJ, hindi ka na 30, so hindi ka na member ng Katipunan ng Kabataan. Because Katipunan ng Kabataan, 15 to 30 years old.
Nilabay na.
Second, of course, you must be a citizen of the Philippines. Not necessarily naturalized, but you must be a citizen of the Philippines. And third, yung tinatawag na residente ka sa iyong barangay at least 6 months. Residente ka doon, voter ka ng barangay na yan, and member ka ng Katipunan ng Kabataan. So if you read the Katipunan ng Kabataan requirement, at least 15 to 30 years of age, may gap, may requirement. 15 to 30, and residente ka ng barangay mo for 6 months, and you're a Filipino citizen, membro ka na ng Katipunan ng Kabataan.
O, samahan ng mga kabataan o association ng mga kabataan.
Yan.
Oo.
Association or Katipunan ng mga Kabataan.
Kaya Mark, sino bang pwedeng tumakbo bilang mga opisyal ng SK?
Okay. I-repeat natin ang Katipunan ng Kabataan, 15 to 30 years of age. But hindi lahat ng member ng Katipunan ng Kabataan pwede mag-join ng Sangguniang Kabataan. Kasi papasok ka ng Sangguniang Kabataan, ang age requirement is 18 to 24 years of age. So hindi lahat, kahit na member ka ng Katipunan ng Kabataan, kung hindi ka 18 to 24, hindi ka pwedeng tumakbo bilang Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Sangguniang Kabataan Kagawad. Reform nito kasi dati sa amin, 15 years old, pwede ka na maging Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman. That's why I became a Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President at the age of 15. 15 pa lang ako, pinakabata. But ngayon, 18 to 24. 18 to 24 para maging membro ka or para pwede kang tumakbo ng Sangguniang Kabataan. Of course, you must be a citizen of the Philippines. Residente ka ng barangay mo for at least 1 year. Able to read and write. And you must not be convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude, and you must be a voter. Yun ang requirement to run for Sangguniang Kabataan. But ang pinaka-determining point dyan, MJ, yung age. 18 to 24. Yung age na lang, yung age na yan, ang pwedeng tumakbo bilang Sangguniang Kabataan officials. But to be a member of the Katipunan ng Kabataan, 15 to 30 years of age, member ka ng Katipunan ng Kabataan, but kung gusto mong tumakbo sa Sangguniang Kabataan, 18 to 34 age.
Paano